Okay, Ford Focus RS. I got misfire every time it's start the car in the morning, and I have a misfire. So I thought it's my head gasket, but I already replaced, so it's a new head gasket, and I like 8,000 on a new head gasket, 8,000 miles, and my engine misfire. But luckily I found the problem. So it's a spark plug. It's a okay, come on, focus. Ford spark plug. So what happened? This thing somehow it's broke. So it looks fine now. If you flip it upside down and I shake it, bam! It's fell all the way down. So this thing broke off. So this is why I have a misfire. Every time in the morning, I don't know how I was driving this car. It wasn't misfire when I was driving. It's only misfire when it's like early morning, really cold. So I was scared about my head gasket. I thought it's a head gasket. So I got new spark plugs. This is new one, NGK. This is the number. So I'm gonna put them on. I hope it's gonna work good. So cold now. Okay, thank you guys. I hope my video gonna help you. Somebody, maybe. Okay, bye bye.